Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this ACMER mini laser engraver from the manufacturer to do a review. So let's look at its features, give it a try. Okay, it comes with an instruction manual for the mini laser engraver. It does require it to be connected to a computer and software, which can be downloaded, like a AC power connector, USB type A, type C connector, sorted tools, Allen wrenches, cleaning cloth, UV laser protection safety glasses. This looks like the laser head. Here is the machine that controls the setup, and the laser head, I think, goes under here. You will set the X and Y axis to the piece that you're engraving. Here is a power port, type C connector to interface with your computer, on and off switch. Okay, let's read through the instructions and see how to get everything connected, and we'll give it a try. Okay, according to the instruction manual, the laser engraver supports the most popular program, Laser GRBL program. For Mac users, you can choose Lightburn, a professional laser program for Windows and Mac. According to instruction, you place the piece that's going to be engraving on the surface, and then you have this measurement block that you place on the top of that piece, and then place your laser head on top of that. This is just magnetic, sticks to the bottom, creates that distance. Then you have these slots here on the back. Slide them in. You just slide this head on top of that measurement block. That gets the appropriate gap, and then this set screw here on the side, you tighten it up. Okay, I have a MacBook Pro, so I'm downloading from Lightburn, the free software, for 30 days. Okay, the power's got to be connected. Okay, when the power is connected, you can see on-off switch is flashing, indicating that it has received power. Take the cable provided on USB Type-C, connect that into this section here, this Type A, into your computer. Turn on the power. Once you get all the connections made, turn on the power. Once you download the software and all the connections, it'll search for this particular model of mini laser engraver. Okay, before I do an actual engraving, I'm going to do like a test run on how the laser will travel, just to make sure everything is kind of set up correctly. You just press this monitor here and then hit play. And you can see it's imitating the path that it will take to engrave this image. Total estimated time is 13 minutes, 54 seconds. Okay, it's completed the simulated travel path of the laser. I may try to lighten it up before I actually attempt to laser this, so stand by and we'll give that a try. Okay, before we start the actual engraver up, we want to put on our safety eye protection as provided. This mini laser engraver is pretty neat. I have to say it's not too bad to operate once you go through the instructions and set up your software. It's pretty easy to operate. It does a pretty good job at engraving. This is an engraving I did of my pets, Daisy and Lily. They're a couple of poodles. He did a great job. It took me 2 or 3 passes to get the intensity adjusted and the timing on that. In the back of the instruction manual, you do have some settings based on the type of material that you're trying to engrave. So overall, this is a very great mini laser engraver, and I highly recommend this.